I've lived in this railway village where its bonny wee station frae I was 3.
As weans, we'd gather conkers by the river walk and take school trips to the woods near Han where folks once walked to work.
We'd race to the fruit field to pick our fill. And on Saturdays after hockey at school, we'd go to the local bakery for sausage rolls and the best ice buns. Our primary school Christmas carol service filled the local church. An abandoned village lies quietly near Han. And a cottage, once home to the US President, is here too. A beautiful oil linen factory, its great chimney standing tall, lies empty now. It once drew folk to work, and street lights on the country road guided them safely home. A new water mill is here, and some buildings where wood is put by. I still see primary school weans busy in the playground, and the local coffee shop is welcoming and warm. My bonny wee village has past and present close. I'm right gladsome to be here. This is my Cullybackey.